This is the CNC cutter. I just put to make height. That's what I did. Okay, as you can see, the emergency button is pressed. I just turn on the machine. Turn on the emergency button. Clear it up. Okay. Then the button is all the way off. So even though I turn it on, it's not working. On and off. It's not working. You see over here? It's not working. When I was testing it, it throws some sparks from up here. The spindle. It threw sparks from here. I'm moving the cable to see if it works, because it's still on all the way. See, all the way. I move the cables and nothing is on. Doesn't work. So now I just got this already, so you can see that it works. Everything works. But the spindle is the only one that doesn't work. All this wood dust is not from the machine. It's from me working over here. I have wood dust all over the place. The only thing that I had done with this machine is this over here. This, and this. As you can see, I haven't done nothing deep, nothing hard. And this, I just break the needle, putting now this, doing this right now, this presentation for you, over here. But when I did this over here, and then it stopped over here, okay, that's when I noticed it was smoking from up here. I moved the cable and it doesn't work. I need help on that, please. Okay. I already ordered another spindle, but it's different, from Japan. But you can please help me out with the warranty of this. Okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye.